Around the death of Byron Carr got underway today. The lawyer for the man charged with killing him 35 years ago appeared in provincial court. This was the first appearance in what is expected to be a lengthy process. Wayne Thibodeau was there.
The court appearance lasted only a matter of minutes. Todd Joseph Gallant's defense lawyer asked for an adjournment here in provincial court today. That's so the defense and the Crown can pore over what's expected to be boxes and boxes of evidence in the 35-year-old cold case.
It's really early days at this point.
Chris Montagnais speaking outside provincial court this morning. His client, Todd Joseph Gallant, who also goes by Todd Joseph Irving, was not in court. He remains in jail at the Provincial Correctional Centre. Montagnais asked for a 1-month adjournment in the case.
That will give everyone an opportunity to understand the case, understand the allegations that are being made against Mr. Gallant, so that we can figure out what the next steps should be in the process. My guess is that it's going to be like voluminous boxes worth of stuff to go through, and so it's just going to take some time to get everyone up to speed.
Gallant is charged with first-degree murder and interfering with human remains in the death of Byron Carr. Carr was strangled in his own home on November 11, 1988, but police were not able to find Carr's killer. Police reopened the cold case in 2007.
Welcome, everyone.
Then last week, police announced an arrest in the case, crediting genetic genealogy for helping identify the suspect. Gallant has applied for legal aid to cover the costs of his lawyer. Montagnais says he spoke with Gallant, but says it's too early to say how he plans to plead.
I can't get into a whole lot of it. I think this is hard for any person, so it's just a really unexpected event, I suspect, in his life. We're just trying to figure out the next steps.
CBC News reached out to the Crown Attorney's Office for comment, but has not heard back. The charges against Gallant have not been tested in court. Gallant's case is expected to be moved to the Supreme Court. He'll have to decide whether he wants his case heard by judge alone or judge and jury. Gallant is scheduled to appear back in court on March 7th. Wayne Thibodeau, CBC News, Charlottetown.
It has taken decades of work, but midwifery services are now available